Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will show you how to do foundation field bus control valve calibration using valve positioner display. Now first I will remove the 4 screws here and then I will remove the front cover so that I can access the valve positioner display. This is a small display mounted on the valve positioner. You can do the configuration, you can do the calibration from this display. Okay. You can also connect your HART communicator and you can do the same function. But in some models, we have valve display available on the valve positioner itself. Remember, you can do the calibration using this display such that it will save some time for you. The HART communicator takes time. Remember that. That is why we prefer calibration from this small display. You can see here, right now it is showing some values here. Some are pressure signals, temperature values, right? See, this is supply pressure 2.3 kg. And we have 4 buttons here on the display. This is positive, negative, this is enter, this is cancel. Okay. So now I need to go to mode. So I will press the minus and the plus at a time. It will go to the mode. Okay. Now I will press enter. Now I have to select auto or manual. I will select auto. Okay. I need auto. So I press auto and enter. See, now we are in mode and we can see the available options here by pressing minus or plus. I will press plus. See, parameter calibration. Okay, I need to go to calibration, enter, auto calibration, enter. That's it. The calibration is started. You can see the status here. The valve will automatically move the stem at the different points. Remember, you can see the calibration status on the display. Now it is showing cal 1. It has to reach cal 100. Whenever it reaches cal 100, that means the automatic calibration is completed. See, the valve positioner have inbuilt algorithm so that when we select automatic calibration as per the algorithm, it will move the valve stem at different locations, that means different points, and then it will adjust the feedback accordingly. Remember, the valve positioner receives the instrument air supply. So you can see the gauges here, the pressure gauges. You can see the inlet instrument air, outlet instrument air, right? The outlet means instrument air going from the valve positioner to the actuator. So the valve positioner regulates or controls the instrument air supply, right? That is why you can see the pressure gauges here. They are not constant. Their pointer is moving. That means the instrument air supply is regulating, right? And on top of the valve positioner, you can see this small knob with red line. This is also indicates the valve open percentage or closed percentage, right? That means open status or closed status. Right now, the status is cal 44. It reached 44. It has to reach 100. Okay, we can see the valve stem movement clearly. The valve positioner regulating the instrument airflow. Remember, you can do this calibration from 3 locations in foundation field bus. The first one is valve positioner display. I'm talking with respect to control valves. The second one using your HART communicator. The third one using your remote computer. If you have a valid license and hardware, you can perform these actions from your remote computer also. You can give a control valve calibration command from your remote computer in your control room. Now the status is cal 75. Remember, when you have a valve positioner display, it is the recommended method to do the calibration from this display, because your HART communicator may take some time. For a maintenance plant, we usually do use the available display. If there is no display available, then only we use HART communicator. The calibration is completed. You can see the message here, calibration successful. Okay. The calibration may take some time. Remember that it may take 2 to 5 minutes depending on your valve design. So by using this simple small display on the valve positioner, we can complete the calibration. Remember, if you need some advanced features, advanced diagnostic messages, then we have to use our HART communicator. For normal maintenance purpose, we can use this display. If you have any questions, please share with us. Do like our videos, share our courses with your colleagues and friends. Thank you. Thank you for your support.